Micyhome. Halcyon Life.
Alright guys, in today's quick and short video, I'm going to show you the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL. Forget about vacuuming for up to a month. What did I just say? For up to a month? That is crazy. You have the self-empty base, 2 side brushes, 1 filter, and 8-foot bot boundary strips. So here you go, you have a quick start guide with a QR, which you could download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Real simple to do. The first thing is you put on the side brushes, set up the base, and big important thing is 3 feet from each wall and 5 feet from the front. The next step is plug in the base and charge the robot. 6 hours for the first charge. And then here's a good one. Step 5 is to prep your home. Make sure you have it cleaned up and no socks and stuff laying around, because these vacuums will get stuck on the socks or throw rugs sometimes. So just pick up any clutter laying around. And then here is where the bot boundary, look at that, it's like a roll. So you basically put these strips around anything you don't want it to get into. So for example, if you have some pet bowls with water and stuff like that, you can tape off that section. Will go in their furniture, doorways. So if you don't want it to go into a bathroom, like a small bathroom, which we have, we've gotten these bots have gotten stuck in the bathroom because they keep it in walls and toilets, and they sometimes forget their way back out, or it takes a while, and that bathroom is very clean, I'll tell you that. So as your robot learns your home, you may need to make some small adjustments to optimize performance. So there is an interactive map. So it'll take your robot multiple runs, generate your interactive map, so run it frequently to get the best map. Alright, now let's take a quick look at the robot itself. So here it is, very nice. You can see it's got some stickers still on it, peel here to get off, but that's where you could scan the QR code again, get the app, only features. So you need the app for the app only features. Another nice thing, it shows you here, as I mentioned, the location to put it. So if you don't want to read the manual, they basically put enough stickers on this thing for you to get started. So a dust cap release. Right there's the dust cap. You'll see that pops right out. And down at the bottom, it's a little push button over the trash can, not over your floor. Clean filter every month or loss of suction may occur. And when you're done, want to snap that back in place. On this side of the vacuum base, there's 2 little clicks. You click that, pull that out, and there's your filter. Remember, like I said, they said to clean it monthly, just so you have good suction. Click it back on. There you go. Now for the robot itself, we had to take it off a second. You'll see, so there is a little bumper right here. This actually, if it hits a wall, whoop, stop. So if it hits a wall, it will actually go back, go a different direction. Alright, so up on top, you have a couple of buttons. You have the clean button. So if this is on the charging station and you want this to start cleaning without using the app, just manual, you're going to hit the clean button and it's going to go start cleaning the house. If this is in the house somewhere and you want it to stop, you're just going to hit the dock button and it'll go back to the charging station. Up here, you're going to see a couple things. You're going to see your battery indicator and you're going to see your network connection. So this is your battery level, and that's show you that it is connected to the network, the Wi-Fi. So that way you can access it via the app. In order for the mapping process, you'll see it does have a little camera up top, so it can get its surroundings. And so on a charging station, you'll see it does have a vacuum, so it does suck the dirt out through the filter and into the canister. But for any reason you want to have this manually, it's real simple. There is a couple buttons you squeeze and pull. So once you pull it out, one more step, pull this up, and here's actually where all the dirt's going to be stored. And there is a filter up here as well. And when you're done, just go ahead, shut it, then put it back in the vacuum. Now let's take a look underneath. Alright, so here's the underside of it. So you have these side wall brushes. So as it's going, they will spin to catch anything along the walls. There's one on each side. You have to manually put those on after you get out of the packaging. Here is your brush, and it also does have these nice fins. So these fins are good for smaller, like dust, very small particles, sand, salt, anything that you might have find, they'll help pick that stuff up. And the brushes, well, the brushes, you know what they're good for. And there are a couple of releases. So if you had to get that off in case you got hair clogged in or something else, these 2 tabs and it'll pop right out. Just like that, the lid comes off. And now you can access your, look at that, see how simple that was to come out? In case you have to clean the roller. And it pops back in place. And snaps them. And then here and here are your charge plates. So it does go with the docking station, day charge. So make sure they're cleaned off at all times as well. And one last secret I'm going to show you right now. It's a very important secret. Let me show you. So the important thing I've noticed with the docking stations on these types of robot systems, you'll see there's a green light and a blue light on right now. If this is pushed back or not back far enough, you'll see the blue light's off. Oh, sorry, it's going on me. So if it's not on all the way, you'll see only the green light's on. So that's just showing that the charging station has power, but the blue light is not on, so it's not charging the robot itself. So you want to make sure that this is back on properly in case it gets bumped or in case somebody kicks it or a pet kicks it or something happens. Make sure both of those lights are on, otherwise it is not going to charge. Now you guys ready to see this clean? Go. It's sucking out the dirt right now. So it's done sucking out the dirt, even though there's no dirt in there. But now I'm going to show you guys how this thing works. We're going to hit the clean button. All right, it left the docking station. Now it should turn on. And then, like I said, if you wanted to go back to the docking station, you're going to hit dock, and it's going to spin. It's going to go find a docking station. This is a cool part. Now it's going to spin around and back up. Where are you going? Where are you going? It's back there? It's back there. Go back. Alright, there you guys have it. This is the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL Robot Vacuum. I hope this video answered some of your questions, and I will see you in one of my other videos.